Good morning, I'm Tom Walker. I'm here in the showroom of SkipperBud's Belmare Harbor location in Harrison Township, Michigan. We are on the lovely 2022 Barletta 25 UCA Tri-Toon. Give you a little insight to the nomenclature. The 25, of course, is the length of the boat. The U refers to the ultra lounger here in the stern of the boat, and we'll go over it in a bit. The C is for the second captain's chair on the port side. Of course, very nice captain's chair for the helm also. The A refers to the optional arch on this boat, which really turns it into a looker. And the TT refers to Tri-Toon, of course. Stock number of this boat is BA20332. It's the black diamond color and has the optional blackout package. Black rails, very sharp looking package. On the back we have the Mercury 350 Verado with the digital throttle and shift from Mercury Marine. Plenty of power on the boat, all kinds of options for water, toys, ski tow pylon, of course, where you can hook your tow ropes for tubing, boarding, whatever the family enjoys. It's got the gray Tessa flooring. The construction of Barletta is rather unique. Everywhere metal touches metal, there's actually a rubber pad. They call it the VIP, vibration isolating pad. Makes the boat very quiet. When you're cruising along with a 350, you truly appreciate the sound deadening characteristics of that. Moving to the helm, very well appointed. As you can see, we have the Simrad display, which you can read everything off of that. It's currently in the chart plotter mode. You can also read all your engine functions. Then, of course, Barletta also includes the analog style gauges for us old folks with the LED readout screen, Mercury SmartCraft orientation. Lighted switches, very nice feature you see on a lot of today's boats. The RGB lighting. So all your cup holders light up. You've got LED lights in the arch. Makes for a wonderful effect on an early evening. Very nice seating on the boat. Forward we have our forward-facing lounges. Storage underneath, piano style hinges. One big advantage to the Tri-Toon, it actually affords you floor storage in a pontoon boat. Got anchor storage here forward, and then huge compartment amidship, putting all your water toys, stow the playpen cover, just anything you want to get out of the way. You've got plenty of room in there. Little storage compartment in front of the companion seat. Table flips up, optional changing room. The U in the model designator for this boat refers to the Ultra Lounge, which in my opinion is just about the niftiest thing that this boat holds. You can sit and face forward, so you've got 2, 3, 4 people sitting facing forward when you're underway. But when you're out in rest in the middle of the lake, you flip that backrest forward and have a full sunning area here. It actually comes and lays down for a complete sunning area. But you also have the ability to create chaise lounges. This seat folds up and faces aft, or you can do the same thing here and face forward. Wonderful feature. You can also see that your arch is mobile. If you have storage situation or you have a bridge on your lake that you need to get under, you just loosen those turnbuckles, the arch lays down. Back here in the aft of the boat, it's got the optional stainless steel stanchions and chain, ski tow pylon of course, and a massive swim ladder, very easy to come aboard. Built-in fuel tank of course with center access for filling to where regardless of which side your fuel dock is on, makes it very easy to fuel the boat. Finally, we're here to the bow of the boat. A lot of very nice features. Stainless steel pop-up cleats out of the way but not in use, so you don't catch a foot on them. As you can see below, we've got the Tri-Toon. All Barletta pontoons use 26-inch diameter logs. 90 gauge aluminum. They're built extra stout. As you can see, we've got a full aluminum skin on the bottom. It enhances performance, but also contributes to the longevity of the deck. You can see the full-length lifting strakes on all three logs. You see the splash rails at the nose of the pontoon to turn down water. Safe, quiet, dry ride. Nifty little feature that Barletta includes on their boats. They know that most boaters are dog owners. The dog can look out from inside the boat and stay safe with the gate closed via the doggy door. They also include a dog dish, water dish, food dish in the Helm. That's the Barletta 25.